Hey everyone, Lou and Masood here. We have yet another question for you.
What is your open house strategy?
Open houses are great. They help showcase your listings and connect you with buyers. But they are also time away from home for both you and your sellers. And without a strategy, an open house can be a big waste of time.
Your open house strategy should start no later than the Monday prior by promoting the day and time of your open house in your MLS, your social media, CB Homes admin, and real estate websites. By Tuesday, you want to create your in-touch flyer and blast it to your sphere. On Wednesday, that's when you'll walk the street, introduce yourself to your neighbors, and invite them to your open house and make those connections. By Friday, have all your brochures, sign-up sheets, directionals ready to go.
Open houses are not just a step in real estate new year, but it's a pivotal step to a successful real estate career. If you currently do not have any listings, ask your manager to connect you with a listing agent in your office today to work with them on hosting one.
And for more tips on open houses, including day of staging, stay tuned for a word from these two Realogy execs on what to do, or should I say what not to do.
Ryan and I were recently asked to be in a pilot program at Realogy. It's called Corporate Executives at Your Service.
Such a great concept. So Realogy headquarters executives head out into the field helping agents do what they do best.
And we got a super cool assignment. We helped an agent stage a home before she had her open house.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. And I don't want to sound brash, but I think we nailed it.
Great neighborhood.
Yeah, it's really
Love
nice.
it. All right, I got the sign.
All right, somewhere up front here, real high visibility spot.
How do
There
you,
go.
you think there'd be a,
Well, I think you just force it.
twist it.
Okay, yeah.
Twist it a little bit.
Okay. It's probably because there's a breeze.
Here, use
Something
some of
to
the,
lean it on, right?
yeah, here you go. Much better.
Like a nice landscaping element.
All right, you ready?
Curb appeal is very important. Look, it's the right angle.
Hey, this is the final touch.
Boom.
There's supposed to be a lockbox.
Well, it's maybe not open. This happens all the time. Just think like a real estate agent.
I think we need to think like a burglar. Why don't you
Fair
use your
point.
obscene height and see if you can find something. Move your feet. There's no key under the mounts.
You know what? I bet there's a back door. I'll check the back. You keep looking up here.
All right.
Let me try the door.
Gorman.
So we got in the house and then we employed all the tricks of the trade.
The classics. We went old school all the way.
That'll do.
Perfect. Nice. Oh, dude, you're gonna love this. I ordered a bookshelf for the living room. It's gonna look awesome.
Hey, delivery.
Thanks. I thought it came pre-assembled.
It's IKEA, man.
Okay, it's IKEA. All right, thanks. Oh,
Yeah.
there's more?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah. Hope you guys got a couple hours.
Ryan, tip the man.
Ryan?
It wasn't always easy. There were a couple of hurdles that we had to overcome.
Yeah, but we're professionals and we took it all in stride.
I'm just trying to get the stuff out so we can see what we have.
Parts. This is
Those are
unbelievable.
the parts.
Yeah.
I thought it was like 6 screws.
Have you never done this before?
We're looking for M, Ryan.
I know.
It's a shelf.
But that's
3 of
listen,
them.
I'm
M.
saying I checked every piece. There's no.
Oh,
M.
yeah, wait. W. Just grab this. Okay. Hold on. Just lean it against your, yeah. Okay. So it says, carefully tap the small wooden dowels into place.
Can you maybe help beyond just reading the instructions?
Screw in the cam bolts. Are the cam bolts flushed down
What does
with
that
the
even
wood
mean?
panel?
No, John, I think you might be right, actually. Put it together using that. So yeah, I think we're in good shape.
I've got to say, I didn't expect us to do this well the very first time out.
We were overflowing with good ideas. We're like creative geniuses.
Yeah, not just a couple of pretty faces.
Very true.
All in all, I've got to say, I'm pretty proud of the work we did.
I know it was just a pilot, but I think the agent's really lucky. We made the place look amazing.
Totally.
I doubted you, but it looks great.
Right? I know. I had a feeling. I just don't know why it came with so many extra pieces.
I feel like the pilot was successful enough that we'll put more executives out in the field.
Yeah, but it's so unfair because we set such a high bar.
We really did.
Although we never heard if the house sold.
Oh, no, we didn't. I heard the one next door did, though.